If you have extra dough, just bake it and freeze it for later. This dough sat in the fridge for 111 hours. It baked up fine, but the crust was really thick. It was noticeably sour and the crumb was tight. These came from the same dough, just an overnight in the fridge. And this was the crumb. So, for my flour, 50 hours might be the limit. What do you think?